Welcome everyone to this new video. Here we will explain about our app, the InfoSpace. This application has been designed by me, Maharnab Goswami, and my friend and teammate Nishan Sharma. Well, the app is still loading and very soon we will be redirected to its first page. The main character of this application is Avery. First, we click on it and he heads to the Indian Space Exploration Center after a short conversation with his friend Abby, who guides him throughout this venture. When they enter the Indian Space Exploration Center, Avery is amazed by its beauty, and Abby guides him towards the instruction room of the center. Now, this is the instruction room where a robot explains all the details of the mission to Avery. He clicks on Next
And
to
then,
get to know about the mission objectives. In this mission, the user will explore the solar system and know more about the planets and the sun in great detail using images and data. When the user is ready for the mission, he clicks on Next. Then, a rocket icon is displayed launching the telescope and a prompt is delivered from the same. Here we can see the rocket launching the telescope with a countdown. Then, the user gets a message that the telescope has been successfully launched into space. Now, the user can see the telescope venturing into the space, and a prompt is shown that the telescope has successfully collected an image of the solar system. The user shall click on data to see the image of the solar system.
so now we have come to the main part of this application. So here we can see that the telescope that has been launched has collected an image of the solar system. And here we can see 8 planets, including Sun. And now what we can do is that we can click on any planet to know more about it. For example, we click on Venus and it brings us to another page where we can see some of the basic description of the planet, including 4 icons, overview, facts, images, and solar system. So in this page, we can see some of the basic information about this planet, like the type of the planet, the distance from the sun, the length of year, and many more. So now we click on overview to get some basic description about this planet and click on next to read further. Now we click on facts to get to know about 10 interesting facts and click on next to read further and click on next to further continue. So now we click on images to get to see some of the very good images of these planets. With this we can see how the surface look likes and many other information about this planet. So now we can click on solar system icon to get to redirect to the initial page of the solar system. And from here, we can further click on any other planet to know more about it. So this is the main idea of our project, and this is a very interesting way to get to know, to get to read about those planets, to get to see that how they actually look like. So if you like our idea and if you like this app, then please share it with others so that everyone can get to know about this interesting application. Thank you for watching this video.